guys, welcome to Bells TV. What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to another video from that side, so down below no know what will come. Before I jump another video, SHEEN'S life, guys. Yes, I said SHEEN'S life. Go over to our channel and check her out. She's the one who challenged me to do this video. So it's 5 things I cannot do without. Yes, I cannot do without. And before I jump into the video, I just want to say thanks to everybody who supported us, who is still supporting us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow us on our social media. See what we are going with when I upload a video. My Instagram is Determinecavi, and Billy Instagram is Junior_Jenna. My Facebook is Cavian Levy. Billy Facebook is Junior Bell, and our couple Instagram page is Clive.Cavian Forever. Check us there, guys. And my business page is Cavi Couture. There's gonna be a lot more new things coming, so stay tuned. And yeah, and let's jump right into the video. You know, must I say wagwan. Yeah, me say Black Life Matter, so I decide to wear my black lipstick for show out. And yes, guys, I'm not naked, I have on clothes. Let me show you. I have on clothes, yeah. So the first thing I cannot do without is my phone. Yes, guys, I can't do without my phone. My phone come like next to my life, I think. Yeah, and it no matter where I go, I have to have my phone. All if I forget it, I have to turn back for it. Yeah, my phone come like Echo and Jekyll. Echo and Jekyll nah leave them one another, just like how me nah leave my phone. And the second thing, you cannot go with the phone, which is the internet. Yeah, I can't do it without the internet. Yeah, if the internet not there at the house, boy, come like say me go crazy, cause I just cannot do without the internet. Yes, guys, can't live without the internet. And the third thing I cannot do without, yes, me say do without, is my lip gloss or my lip balm. I always have a lip gloss or a lip balm on me. Yeah, always. Kind of want the lip them crack up and dry up on you. Yeah, but always have my lip gloss or my lip balm. Come like Echo and Jekyll. Nah, lift them one another. And the fourth thing I cannot do without is my consecrated olive oil. When I say, consecrated olive oil? Yes, I can't do without my consecrated olive oil. I always have my olive oil on me. I always have it in my bag. I always have a bottle of olive oil consecrated for my dresser. And even if I don't get it consecrated, I always have an olive oil. Yeah, because I like use olive oil for my skin. My consecrated olive oil never leave me. Yes, guys, my consecrated olive oil always in my bag. Yeah, man, it always in my bag. Me not leave my consecrated olive oil go nowhere. Yeah, and the final one I cannot live without is my money. I don't work with cards, so I don't look at funds that go in the pocket. Yeah, even if me I go out and I don't have the full money, I always have the get vex money. Yes, guys, the get vex money. I always have the little get vex money. If I don't have the 100, the full amount of money, I always have a little thing in the pocket. Yeah, can't do without my money. Yes, guys, I know this video is a bit short, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a thought in the comment section. Drop your video idea where you want me and Billy to do. Yes, guys, and there's a little video coming on this look as well, so stay tuned for that as well, guys. And if you don't want to see me do more like hair and makeup type of video on Billy and I channel, drop it in the comment section, guys. Yeah, and like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a thought in the comment section. And don't be mean, man. Share it to the family and your friend, man. Share the video them, man. Send people come over on the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for supporting us. It means the world to us. And yeah, and I will see you all in our next video, guys. Bye, I'll catch you later. Peace.